Alright, people, you gotta watch it. It's Asus automatic overclocking. So they provide some kind of drivers that help you overclock your box. So it automatically overclocks it. It's doing a stability test. It's 25% faster now, 4 gigahertz. It's increasing the clock slowly to see how fast it can go. I spent like 2 days. I wasted 2 days trying to overclock it, and then I found out Asus provides automatic overclocking, so it's 28% faster now, 4.1 gigahertz, as you can see, 4.12. So every time it tries to increase it little by little and tries to see how fast it'll go, and it automatically, tries to overclock it. 31% faster now. It's 4.2 gigahertz, and boy, you gotta hear my fans. If you were here, I don't know how the audio quality is, but my fans are running really fast on the CPU, and the Chase's fans are all like full RPM. 4.3 gigahertz now. It's 35% faster. It's doing a stability test. So every time it's trying to increase it, it does a stability test to see how stable the system is. 35%, 4.4 gigahertz, going to 38% faster now. And I can tell you, my fans have started to go crazy. You had to be here to watch it. And let's see how fast it's gonna go, man. Come on. 4.4 gigahertz right there. Oh shoot, it messed up. So what it does is it tries to go faster, and then if it doesn't work, then it tries to reboot the system. So it went to 4.4. Let me see what it's gonna do. So every time it tries to kind of go faster than what it was before. And I was able to make it go to like 4.6ish. I was trying to do it again, and it's booting the machine again. And then as soon as the box is booted, it's gonna ask me to put my password in there, which I will. And as soon as the Windows is booted, it automatically goes to the Asus overclocking deal. Okay. Alright, 38% now with 4.4 gigahertz. Down below you see that countdown. It says overclocking will start in a minute. It runs some diagnostics, and then if everything is fine, it starts to overclock. So right now it's gonna start like in 34 seconds, 33, 32, 31. I'm using i7-3930K. The base clock on that processor is 3.2 gigahertz. So from 3.2 I came to 4.4, which is not bad at all, but I'm trying to go more than that. And let's see if it's gonna go higher. If it does not, then it's gonna kind of suck, but let's see whatever happens here. Okay. Alright, so 4.4. It's trying to do the stability test now. To see how fast it can go. And see, the bad thing is, once it goes to 4.4, then it just changes the numbers right next to it. Because I took it to 4.6 last time, and now it's only changing those last numbers, which kind of sucks. So it's 4.463 gigahertz, 39% faster. 4.48 gigahertz, 40% faster. It's doing a stability test. So every time you try to boot your every time it tries to increase it, it does the stability test if cooling is fine and this and that. 4.49, it's almost 4.5 gigahertz right now. It's a 40% boost. And again, I'm using i7-3930K. The base clock on that is factory OEM base clock is 3.2. From 3.2, I'm right now at 4.4 almost, which is not bad. Oh shoot, man. So I went to 4.4, I guess, almost 4.5, and then once it reboots, it's gonna say that, okay boss, that is your highest overclock available, be happy with it. Let's see what it says. You know what, last time I went to 4.6, that was better. I went to actually 4.7. I was able to overclock it to 4.7 last time. Start Windows normally. There's nothing wrong with Windows. Man, I'm not liking it. For the very first overclock, it went to 4.7. Okay, so 4.7 was what I was able to max squeeze out of it, but now it's capping at 4.45. Man, that's not good. Auto tuning successful, so it says that that's your best auto tuning. It's 4.4 gigahertz. I mean, I just took this video for a demo, but I'm gonna make it 4.6 or 7 at least. I'm gonna try. So it's 39% faster now, and at the end you get this message saying auto tuning successful. Means that's it, bro. You're done. Don't stretch it too much. So once you get this message saying auto tuning successful, that is it. So it's recommending that you stay right there. Don't try to stretch it. That's the recommended overclocked by the motherboard. So anyway, that's Asus overclocking, people. Thank you so much.